Hello guys, welcome to the tutor. Here we are going to solve a quadratic polynomial using factor method. We will be factorizing this polynomial and we'll try to get the values of x or the variable. So here you got 4x squared plus 48x plus 128 equal to 0. What we are going to check first is we'll be checking the product of the coefficient of x squared, which is 4, and the constant 128. What is that? So 4 times 128, that would be equal to 512. Now let's factorize 512. We can write 4 times 4 times 2. That means, let's say this 4 is taken, this one is taken, and 2 is taken. What else is remaining? 2 4s times 4 times 4. What this will make? 32, of course. Times, what is this? 16. Maybe difference is 48, or maybe sum is 48. Somehow you will have to get the 48 and the product should remain 512. So here 32 plus 16, that is 48, right? What I'll be doing further is I'll write 4x squared as it is. Here 48x will be written as 32x plus 16x plus 128 equal to 0. Now look, we have 4 different terms. We'll make pair of 2 and try to take common out of the first 2 pairs and last 2 pairs. Look, in the first 2 pairs I clearly can say that 4x is common. If you have difficulty with that, you can further factorize them, like 4 times x, and 32 can be written as 4 times 8 times x, and then say 4 and x is in both the terms. So I'll take 4x common from the first pair of terms. Similarly, now you have to take something common out of the second pair so that you get the same thing inside the parenthesis. I'll be taking 16 common, and yes, if from 16x 16 goes outside the bracket, only x is remaining, plus 128 can be written as 16 times or 8. I think 8. Yes. So you have to check how you should take common so that you get the same thing inside the bracket. If you'll take 16 common, you'll get x plus 8 inside the bracket equal to 0. Now look, x plus 8 and x plus 8 is present with both the terms, so you will write x plus 8 in a separate bracket, remaining 4x plus 16 in another bracket. Now, as product of these two terms in the parenthesis is equal to 0, that means either first one is 0 or second one. So what we will do is we will put them separately equal to 0. From here you'll get x is equal to negative 8. Put 4x plus 16 equal to 0. From here you'll get x is equal to negative 16 divided by 4. That will be negative 4. So these are the two values you have obtained out of this whole, where the least one is negative 8 and the greatest one is negative 4. This is how you do factorization, and this is how you get the answers of quadratic polynomials. So that's it. I hope you understood the concept. So do like, subscribe and share, and stay strong. Bye bye.